Good morning. It's snowing and I have a pretty good headache. So that's why I decided to pull out the ice roller. And I think I'm gonna try to go outside and get a little bit of fresh air. We're expected to get anywhere between 15 and 25 centimeters today. So I'm guessing that's the reason for the headache. But this is actually the start of preparing for Taya's baby shower. So I thought, why not just start the vlog today and I'll bring you along for some of our baby shower adventures. I'm excited. I just can't wait for the little guy to come, if I'm being honest. Okay, I'm gonna go finish getting ready. I got my long johns on because I think it's minus 17 right now, which if you live somewhere super cold, that's probably nothing. And if you live in Florida, that probably feels like death. So I'm gonna go get dressed. But I have my long johns on and we're gonna go take Fitz for a quick walk. And I've been using new product in my hair. I have to say, I'm loving it. Wow, I'm so poofy though. Okay, we'll see you for a walk. So Matt's all excited because the temperature in the house just went up to 72 degrees, which is actually pretty amazing. Because right now all we're using is our wood burning stove, which I'm obsessed with, as you guys know. I talk about it like all the time. Probably the best purchase we ever made for a house is buying the wood burning stove. I don't know, maybe we're picking a bad time to go for a walk. It looks like it's literally in the middle of a blizzard. Show you. Well, you can't even tell that it's snowing, but it's snowing like really, really good. Okay. I tried a pimple patch too on 2 little pimples. That one feels like it did something. I think it's ready to pop. Okay, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go finish getting ready. And I think I'm gonna bring my vlogging camera out in the snow, which probably isn't a smart idea, but I wanna know how the muffler thing on the mic works in a windstorm. All right, snow paint time. So I'm hoping my snow pants aren't too tight. I haven't worn them in like a long time. I think they're gonna be tight. Gonna be a little sausage in here. Oh, okay, we are in. It's really snowing and blowing outside. Matt's got his snow pants on too, so we might actually make it for the entire walk for Fitz to have a good run. We'll see. I've braided my hair so it doesn't get all like naughty in the ice and snow. I'm excited.
Cameras don't do it justice.
Matt and I tried really hard to find a place to park, but we couldn't. So I decided to hop out of the car and give Fitz the walk that he needed and deserved, while Matt stayed nice and cozy warm inside the car. Honestly though, I'm pretty sure Fitz and I had more fun outside in the blizzard than Matt did in the car. It was awesome. It's pretty scary out here. I hope it stops because it's pretty bad. I look so bald. Like you can't see anything.
There's a car right in the middle of the road.
Oh, wow. That just came out of nowhere.
What the fuck's he doing?
Hopefully moving. Fitz is freaking out back there. He just wants to go for his walk so bad. Okay, so you know what ended up happening? Matt and I couldn't find a place to park the car. So I decided to hop out of the car and take Fitz for a walk. He really needed and deserved some fresh air and some playing out in the snow. Matt drove behind us and kept himself nice and warm while Fitz and I stayed out and played out in the snow. In all honesty, I think Fitz and I had it better. Oh.
So this is a gas truck.
Yeah, maybe they didn't have enough in their Tank, it's a fucking nightmare here. Oh.
Damn.
Oh my god.
It's pretty
You can't see shit.
No, it's pretty shitty.
Oh, I don't think it's supposed to last like all day, but wow, I think I'm gonna take my hat off.
Well, at least you got out for a little walk.
Oh my god. I think he's freezing his poor face. I'm freezing. Look at my cheeks. And I'm like wet, like frozen wet. Matt got to stay in the warm car. Oh, I guess I need my seatbelt on.
Hey, record.
Matt made banana bread, and the dogs are fighting. Oh, it's still nice and warm. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. Do you want to grab me the butter? Yum.
It is blustery.
It's very blustery.
No chance.
You don't think it'll work? That it won't get some butter on there? It's just too cold to smush it on.
Maybe.
Is it good?
I always make them better.
I know you really do. I thought that was a dog.
Made.
Okay. Warm banana bread after a walk in a blizzard. Okay. Okay.
How is it?
Very good.
These are good crackers.
I know.
It's 74 degrees in the house right now.
Not in the whole house, just right by the thermometer.
Oh, you're right.
Ooh, we're gonna make some Lipton soup today. Some crackers and cheese. Those crackers really are my favorite, and I love that they're small.
You okay, Nixon?
Good day for Lipton soup. Ooh, I'm so cold.
Dip on that.
Soup.
I gotta get my blanket. I'm fucking cold.
It's freezing.
I know. Kitty opened up the meat locker.
You should turn up the heat in the house so it just makes the whole house
Warm.
kind of warm.
I did that the other night, actually. I turned it up just to make it.
Turn on.
Yeah.
Should I? It'd warm up here a little bit.
It would warm up the basement a little bit. I don't know. But our thermostat says that it is 76, but it definitely is not.
Well, it's 76.
Like, feel my legs under the table are freezing.
76 by the fire. But it's not 76 over here.
Fuck no, my legs are so cold. Okay, is there anything better than Lipton soup?
No. Soup.
Oh, fuck yeah. I like leaving my noodles till the end and then slurping them all.
Soup.
The snow has stopped falling, but it's still like very windy and very cold. So we're still gonna go to the bulk barn and go grab the candy that we need for the shower. My mom is coming with us. And if we're lucky, we might get a little Starbucks. I think right now it's buy one, get one half off, so it's like you have to go then. The dogs are somewhat chilling out. Fitz hates it when I leave. And Taya should be on her way soon. The drifts in the driveway right now are so big that like I can't shovel them, and they're packed. Like they're really heavy. I'm gonna bring you to the bulk barn. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. We made it onto the road. I didn't think my face would be in it. You're in it. You're in it. Should I tell them what you did?
No.
Okay, I won't tell you what she did, but she
Let her
did something
drive.
bad. And then my mom's in the back there. She's hi. Yeah. That's her. We're going to get candy.
In a blizzard.
Well, it's not really blizzarding right now. We're okay.
It's actually not bad.
No, it's not. It's not bad at all. The shower.
Oh, I didn't know you were making.
Like the giveaway bags.
You know how we did pretzels last time?
Yeah, they're going to be flowers. Don't forget.
No, these are for like babies.
Those are for the prizes, the
Prizes.
Oh,
flowers.
I got it. Okay.
So we're just picking out candy for like the table toppers kind of.
She's making 8
That's that's
arrangements.
That's perfect.
Good.
And if there's extra flowers, we'll make extra because
Yeah.
we'll put them on the tables as
Okay.
decoration.
Have you ever had those?
Garlic ones?
That
No.
sounds good.
It does sound good.
Yeah.
You gonna steal one?
I want to take one.
They'll never know. Go
Yes,
for it.
I would.
I got your back.
And then it'll just
Oh, did you want the chocolate covered almonds?
raspberry?
Friends, I need to show you my bulk barn haul because I feel like it was a giant ripoff and I never want to spend the money there again. Okay, first of all, candy can. Never had it, but we thought we'd try. This wasn't a bad price, it was like $3. Berry whip, another like $2 or $3 drink. Not great, but not terrible. Maybe I'll put this over here. Be easier. Jelly beans. And I mean, they're in the shape of hearts, and don't get me wrong, they taste amazing. $5. $5! I think these were $5 as well. Handful. I spent $10. $10 on that much jelly beans. Oh, I feel really stupid. I feel like a kid that used to go get to Avondale and go grab the penny candies and then they would not have enough money for the penny candies. That's how I felt. $40 and I feel stupid. Jelly dots, these are cheaper. They're like, let's see. These were $4.60 compared to this at $5. These Reese's Pieces covered peanuts were $5 or $6. Then some chocolate covered almonds. Let's see how much those were. Those are $4. To me, that's a better deal than the $5 jelly beans. I got Matt some hot lips. They're $2, $1.77. But I swear, if you went to the dollar store, I probably could have got the same stuff for the same price. Thrills gum, because if you know, my husband loves the shit. And then some cinnamon hearts, and these are like nothing. Oh no, they weren't cheap either. They were $4. Again, the dollar store probably would have been cheaper. So, not a crazy amount of stuff. And that was $40. Like, I feel ashamed almost of, like, to me, that's just wasting money. There was nothing healthy in there. It doesn't make a meal. It might make me happy, but at that price, it really doesn't. Oh, I'm so bothered by that. Anyways, on the other hand, we went to No Frills too, and I got the croissants. They're like $2 and you get 4 croissants and they're so freaking good. So I feel like I redeemed myself a little bit for that. We also found the candy that we wanted for the baby shower, and we went and had a Starbucks, and we're just home. I'm feeding the dogs, and then I'm gonna call it a night, and I will see you on the weekend for Taya's baby shower. I'm so excited. I can't wait for the baby to get here. Today is the day before the shower, and I feel like I'm forgetting something, mainly because, oh, my table's wobbling. Mainly because I haven't done anything. My mom and Taya were the ones that picked out the venue, and we basically just gave Taya money, and she pretty much did everything herself, which feels kind of weird because it's her baby shower, and I feel like it's maybe something I should have done more of, but we all agreed that we wanted to keep things simple this time because we just had a bridal shower less than like 8 months ago, maybe. So we wanted to keep things kind of easy, and we have a caterer, and it sounds like it's gonna be amazing. So I can't wait. Tonight, my friend Jen from Ottawa, my best friend, I have to say, best friend, is down from Ottawa, and her and her partner Matt are coming over to hang out for a little bit, and then they're coming to the shower and then heading right back to Ottawa after the shower. So I'm gonna soak up all my BFF time that I can get. And I have to say something else too. So today I had like another emotional wreck of a day, and Matt took me out to go buy cheese and chocolate, which worked very well. And then we went to a restaurant called Passmore's. It's in a little town called Dunville. And this kid just, amazes me. He is like 19, maybe 20, opened up his own restaurant after having a successful YouTube channel. And I admire him like a lot, because what 19 or 20-year-old do you know that opens a restaurant? Like, he's brave, he's bold, he's not afraid to be different. And I really admire that. And I think his parents are pretty brave and bold as well to have supported that. So anyways, we had a really lovely lunch there. We had the best burger I've ever had in my life. And it was really nice. And it totally turned my whole day around. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for Jen to get here. And Matt and I are making chicken pot pies for dinner that we're gonna quickly eat. And it's just been a turnaround day. It wasn't a great middle of the day, but it got really good at the end. So thanks to Matt for, I don't know how he does it, but sticks by me. He's laughing.
Because I love you.
Then kiss me. Oh. You don't have your glasses on. So Matt and I are still waiting for my friend to come. She was going out for dinner with her aunt. If you hear that annoying noise, it's my dog dropping his ball constantly. Today, while we were on our way to go to Passmore's for lunch, we stopped at Marshville Chocolate to get a chocolate bar, and Matt picked out this one. It's called Peanut Butter Crisp. Kind of looks like a log of poop, but it looks really good too. Maybe I think a log of poop looks good then. I'm gonna say the other one we got's better. Wanna come try it, babe?
Nope.
The other chocolate bar we got, it tasted like a Twix bar, and it was like really, really good. This one, I give it like a 7 out of 10, but the other one we had that tasted like a Twix bar was like a 10 out of 10. I have a feeling my friend's not gonna come. I just have a feeling. I have the lighting changes on here all the time. I feel like it's annoying. Yeah, I have a feeling she's not gonna come. I have a feeling that she got wrapped up in some conversation with her aunt that she hasn't seen in a long time. And I have a feeling she's not gonna come tonight, and then I'm gonna see her at the shower tomorrow. So I'll bring you along for the shower. Little bits and pieces. I still can't believe my baby's having a baby. Like, I don't know, it's insane to me. So yeah, I can't wait to see Taya get spoiled once again. She totally deserves it. She's been carrying around this big baby boy, and I'm excited to see everyone embrace her and our new baby boy that's on the way. Taya requested that we have some photos for her to display at her shower tomorrow, and these are the ones I picked. And that was Fitz dropping a ball. So cute. Good morning. It is 8:18 and I have to be ready to go to Tay's shower in 1 hour. We had a late night last night. My friend Jen and her partner Matt came over and hung out until 12:30, which is very late for us, but I didn't even notice the time going by. However, this morning's a bit of a struggle. So I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna go head to Taya's baby shower. First things first, a little deep puffing and some coffee. And then I really gotta like get my ass moving. All right. How are these things staying up? We don't want to be puffy for the baby shower. Okay, I'm gonna go roll my face and get ready. I love looking at the baby pictures of Taya. She's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a little bit and I'll be back when I'm somewhat ready to go. Now we're gonna roll it out. Roll it out. I love this thing. Literally the best. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna see you when I'm ready. I keep saying that. I am back home from the shower and Taya and Devin and little baby Oliver have been spoiled rotten. Their house is overflowing with so much baby stuff. They have the best friends and the best family members that knew everything that Taya and Devin would need or want, and they came out in full force. Taya had a lovely time. She's a little bit tired now, as am I, but I'm not carrying around a baby. I got to visit with my best friend in the whole world, Jen. It was so nice that she came down and was able to be a part of Taya's day. And her partner went out for dinner or for lunch or breakfast. I don't even know, maybe brunch with Matt and Tristan. My mom and her friends had a good time. The hall was beautiful. The food was great. Everything was really like perfect. It was just a really lovely day. And I'm really glad you guys got to come and hang out. I will post a link to the hall that we rented. The caterers came with the hall and it was just, yeah, perfect. But I will link all that for you. And we'll see you next week for another episode of Found But Still Lost. Thanks to everyone who came out to the shower. Thanks to Devin's family for helping out. My mom's friend for helping with all of the flowers. My mom for helping to book the venue. It was just perfection. And of course, thank you to Taya and Devin for creating our little grandson. We can't wait to meet him. Bye. Have a great week. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I post weekly. See you next week.